Hi, it's Pekka from Logbullet and welcome to Logbullet's workshop. In the last video we did weld together Logbullets C structures, and after that those components did go to powder painting. In this video we will start to assemble one Logbullet. This video is more about mechanical assembly and next video will be more about hydraulics. I hope you liked the video. See you soon. Bye. Hi. Next we will start assembly, but first we actually have to prepare our components for the assembly after paint shop. So we will remove all the painting protection and also do some tapping. I have this kind of really nice tapping machine. So it goes like this all the time and it's very easy and fast and it makes good quality. Both is happy to be in those holes after that tapping. And I will do now that tapping, remove painting protection, and after that I will install some bushings and also some bearings. So see you soon. Bye. Hi. We did get our bookies ready for the bushings. So I use this kind of slide bearings over here. So over here is the axle in the machine. Now here is the bookie and then it swings around over here. So there is this kind of bushing in between. And these bushings actually love to have some grease over here. So you should always press some grease to the axle to keep grease point over here. So the bushings are happy for a long time. I installed those with that kind of hydraulic press. It's pedal operated, it's nice. And I have also this kind of tool. So I did actually order this kind of stuff. So I press these like this. So the quality stays good. If I would use like hammer knocking, it would destroy this side bearing and quality would be worse. So let's start assembling. Hi again. Next we will sub-assemble drive axles. Logbullet has 8 wheels, so we need 8 drive axles. That is pretty good for my purchasing because when I purchase the 5 machine components from my supplier, I get, for example, 40 of these. That keeps my cost in more reasonable range. And actually what I will do next is this kind of bearings. I will install those over here, and at the end we will have sub-assembly for the drive axle, and then we can do the final assembly for the bookies. See you soon. So over here we have drive axle. These are spinning nicely, and later I will attach wheel over here, and these will carry the machine. I really love these components. These are so nice. Perfect engineering. Hi again. So we have at the moment our drive axle over here, bookie over here. Next I will tighten these bolts. Have also drive motor, other drive axle, and continue assembly of these. I have this kind of hand tool. This is very practical because it's with battery, no hoses, nothing. And it's I will continue with this operation, and after that I will install chains, and I think I will show you chains because those are important components in Logbullet. So see you soon. Bye. Hi. So over here are the chains for the Logbullet, and over here is the sprocket. So this sprocket is nice and wide. We need less force over here in the chain to get more torque in the wheel. I use link belts, which are good quality chains in Logbullets. I have this far used in every machine the same chain. I have been happy with those. But the next I will install these chains to Logbullet. After that I will install boogies to machine. So see you soon. Bye. Hi again. We did get our boogies assembled, and I did attach those over this rear frame. Now boogies are swinging over here freely, and as a next task I will actually mount these tires over here, and after that machines start to look pretty nice. These steel structures, wheels and that kind of stuff, so it starts to look a little bit Logbullet style. And after that I will start to make hydraulic assembly. So I will place over here some couplings and hoses and attach huge amount of the stuff together, and after that we have hydraulic system also over here. But to keep this video in some time period, I will make next video about that hydraulic assembly. So see you in next video. I hope you did like the video. If you did like it, please press like, and if you are not yet subscribed Logbullet's YouTube channel, please press subscribe, so you will see also next videos more easily. And actually there will be also at the moment over here few video suggestions, so you can choose next Logbullet video from there. Yeah. But hey, thanks a lot about watching this video, and see you in next video. Thanks.